cool. One Robert Yee, and I call my referee, and a referee, the man, a landsman, or the cotton. Chinabu could do a mass about the bar. We can nearly do one. And a Kromo form, Mama. The Okoman to make a bed for
ready for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okoman Radio.
Alright, abajafo na wie yemo akwaba Mfambro Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports ana wie nso yetimi atenase a yanso yede ebremo na sene anim sene ye no de bi atenase se ya agude mu nsema etwagu e Ghana ha ebibrem ana afenso amanane na afenso yetimi asi hu komo na atwetwe no abasa ne sere na yape no poma sibire awo dwumadie no so na ena dwumadie no nsema ofie papa fitianura nsema abubo ba no enso edoso referee Kenny Paddy obeka referee had to folk ekopiem Kumasi omene krobia Kumasi Asante Kodoko enso the boy enino na Ghana Premier League game na nsembere efa ho ere by a penalty ni adia na the Ghana Football Association Review Committee no letuma tenase ede omo decision na ba omo chinse referee no for the rest of the season no and yetima man band kese. And so I just say I'm man ban kese pa and so honoma referee Kenny Paddy and also no penifo to match na so e team say ne modern bo sada no e match dem no and so no entumi anso ani ye baba ne abedi ho and so no enkomo e wo fie ha no ma and so no news e ba na afisam na ara no nsem bebre wo ho mebisa se ene ya yase referee Kenny Paddy ya twe na so yi ononkwane referee anasem eda eye the Ghana Football Association review panel no enenkwane issue a eda ho identina ensama apile egu ho the Ghana Football Association disciplinary committee akache ene review panel akache no yenhwe enkan na jese we die eba ya na pa na jese aka ede free na ede asotwe aba as go ni interallies match fixing onsem eda ho ekwa afinie matches ahodo onsem eguo bi eda ho afi ba ko emfie mienu boso mi nsia enan ne ade yintimi enkan fi ho ye ba we ya ko ma atwe ba mienu yaka ede frɛ ma ede sotwe ede aba adwuma pen ana ni ana sensem ben ena ekoso ha yintumi enka sansem wo nyina emfemfi ho na say ne ba ya na ze yi de afiri ho ye be ba na abedi nkomo ewa ha Abrantia ne din enso eri game boy tego onu se na anoda ne fight on ne Abrantia gas yakobo en kuku ene koma Abrantia na ode atudwa so ohia rematch na ono so ahwe na ode atutu ne niama ebehwe se ni no rematch no mpanyifo enso betumi ede amana na baby jetta Samojan akasa ose ene no Captain Ambanda yeji edi free nsem ede ma Andrea you no onzu se ase ye jina ma papa Ghana for ene Black Star for nyina etumi jini ma e wo hwe osoma be som ye e Black Stars ne ede ma Ghana na ne du bibi ne yeji Ambanda ede free nsem Captain se no ede free nsem ede ma obi fofra na ono no baby jetta Samojan esusu adwen ho efilise yi no enso ede ma e ebedi sankomo no enso ewofia ha ene yebekwa amana ne enu ada Chelsea amfa Arsenal etime choma kan na mo mutimu mienu na Abrantia edi inketia the presence of game no mo enso etime boy Abrantia ne bogo so ne mienu mafo aka say hey no be hia say ne Ghana for ene Abrantia be twetwe nkomo na ono so age penie abepiem Black Stars akachi na akwa say Ghana de ubo goals ne mienu a na ye frewa ne sa enti anonso no ye say Abrantia no ube hia so beba abeboa Black Star na World Cup ayekwei nkuku ananase nkunimdi nso atuma akoso yedama the Black Stars of Ghana and nsama yeba bedi ehun komo ewa ha amana nsem beba efisem enso beba ngeka say executive producer Yera Kofi Anson Powerful Samson Head of Sports na Kofi Okorajiman Samson eneno Krobia Santa wa ha Abrantia and the writer commentator TWC for short ofia the efisem beba DJ Zigibi boy chidom na afin so no Donzi omunyina boa ewa ha obetima journey live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook YouTube and see Okoman Radio 97.1 Medin and Kelvin Amponsah Addi obetima from AK enti anonso no mama Krobia Sante akwaba ojumedi ni so Krobia mama akwaba
AK bibia ye kama obadia down ma yaba obadia down bibia ye kama osi papa obonio yemfa aseda ma no nti de koyie ene de ankoyie nyina no obadia anana seda eson ewo ene yenkwa yeguso ayewo na moja nso edi efurusane no na chese bibia no edi daye yenti asemboni bia edi na chese bibia nso kama womo ati asemboni nso no ene no womo so mfa aseda manyame na chese womo nhedin na bibia nso no enye kama nsem wo ho nsem kakra bi nsem na wo ho no ye fisem no doson yes fisem no doson because preparation towards Qatar 2022 no ye betumi enya games bi abo aye the 34th edition of the African Cup of Nations e betumi akoso Ivory Coast no yes
Ajimambedu akasa na Ajimambedu nsem o kan I think say menene be ya adwo ase players you see for mu fi Europe some mebo Black Star nko World Cup no say man for Kasali Sumo Tariq Lamte mu ne Hotena do mu
dinketia no mu din ya ne mu
Ajimambedu say Ghana for mu tie ne ye o say players ne dia omu hia some meko World Cup na mmom no before the World Cup no say your AFCON qualifiers enim
yes
ya mo mu bebo bi
2 months time ya
mo mu bebo AFCON qualifiers na nsa ya de o maka squad no Aqua World Cup and I agree with him 110%.
No, okay.
But so Black Star no World Cup na but AFCON ni qualifies ni bi na who say ya born it here
Terino
ansa na ye do Aqua World Cup anya fi na motem kuruma di World Cup so ba bo da bi
Terino
mo AFCON qualifies ni bi
yes ewo African standard of pitches aye wo no
when me kura de say na omni team no kura be jele players be jele ni ade what I say familiarity no betima bem ni ade it's Ajimambedu nsem waka no so yebekom ye di hu komo
discuss baby jet say that Ghana for
say he feel betrayed
yes and I agree 100% with him yes and
you might be this uncommon no so na idea yemko na amano nsem emra
De Bruyne drifting away from N'Golo Conte. Kevin De Bruyne! Oh, wow, that's brilliant! That is magnificent! Game changer, points of world. Sadio Mane, Robertson at full gallop. Kiko in retreat. And Foster had to react, and Firmino reacted. And Liverpool have won every time.
Right, Okoman 97.1. Okoman Global Sports near Birdu, see the creme de la creme tidbit around the world of sports. And so Babe Dan Yeti for any Yashe for Elho, Udueni Echimwa, Nana Kofi Okori Ajimai, together with AK, any the writer, commentator, and so Abu and Semnano, Abon Sebede, Semen Kono Quantum Chronomen for Manfo Close to Semno, and so Enfa Embe Damura production rumor, any DJs Gibi, any Lustowo, Womunina Ebwebwa, ama social media platform, no so, a horse way to me, I de Anti Genia, and also a Facebook, no, a Okoman 97.1, Sanso and a YouTube, and so a Okoman Radio 97.1 Instagram any Twitter okohonoma baby biansono ubetumi enyana bi biansono etumi aye kama na so with the contributions and so etumi abanti Facebook no o like ya na ene so wonso uja comment wo na so etumi a share unim say baby jet akasa ene ya adwuma bedu ene nsem bebre referees no wo mo ho nsem etumi apa sanso na okọ Europe a nsem no dos nye papa nti with the comment nso jawa na we pia share ama unu anso etumi enye bia hwe na bibia anso etumi aye kama edino eye krobia asante yenkone yenkwohwe games a etumi etutodwa over the weekend any other stories a and also eba yebekọ ne yakọ akwohwe any games a etumi ekọ so ewo Italian Scudetto unim se any Coppa Italia ana over the weekend wo mo etumi eboy eho na Scudetto no game back etumi etodwa Udinese etumi etena fiama Salernitana enso ekọ mo eka back a wo mo etumi ante wo Coppa Italia ni mu no unim se any team a your friend no International Milano defending champions of the Scudetto no and so any association Calcio di Milan any AC Milan ni tumi de ball so ewo any Giuseppe Meazza San Siro ewo Coppa Italia ni mu na first leg no wo mo ebo wo San Siro a ekowie 0-0 second leg no eba so ewo Giuseppe Meazza ama any game no any Inter Milan etumi ewini by 3-0 wo mo so edi echo mu abrante friend Lautaro Martinez and so etumi ebo 2 goals a ono so edi bo Inter Milan and so etumi akwa kopiemu ewo the 2021-2022 edition of Coppa Italia a wo mo so ekwa akobona ndrada game back and so etodwa ana yepe nipa baako ana se team baako a ono so any Inter Milan eka koshia no na it was Juventus up against any Fiorentina game no etumi ekọ so ewo Turin na first game no and so etumi ekọ so ewo Fiorentina enenu ekoye 0-0 na Juventus etumi bounce back eba Allianz Stadium ewo Turin ebetena ho ama ndrada wo mutumi bo 2 goals a Fiorentina so entumi antimu bia na Juventus enso etumi ebuki wo mo ticket akwa kopiemu ewo Coppa Italia finals a wo mo ene Inter Milan ana eno so eka akobo ehonoma a enye Fediagronti meyimu a ana finals no eba so ewo Stadio Olimpico Rome enti ene AS Roma wo mago pramano so no eho anane International di Milan ene Juventus the old ladies no eka akobo the 2021-2022 Coppa Italia finals a eno so ebetumi akoso eho a bibia nso no yede eba na bibia nso no etumi aye kama sanso no ana ene yenhwe games a endrada eno so etumi ekoso yenfa yeni enche ene French League ni yenkohwe games a etumi eba so unum se akakitie bi kuma bi pe sisi akrampo no etumi catch us say ene Paris Saint-Germain already know one so etumi aye champions ewe ene French League enti Lionel André Messi, Leo Pochettino ene Sergio Ramos Garcia womu nyina etumi akwaje wo French League title womu so ede eka wo trophies womu so ewe na games no say nendra etumi etodwa ewe Atlantic Stadium no Bordeaux etena fie eheka ni mienu ama Saint-Etienne so no etumi ekohye mienu eho nti Gideon Mensah ono etumi ebo game no ede ma Geraldine Bordeaux ama wo mutumi edroy ewofie relegation ni de wo mu betumi akọ Lorraine enso etena fie eheka ne baako mete entumi ensimu aje sanso ana eneno AS Monaco enso etumi etena ene Stade Louis II ama wo mu eheka ne baako a OGC Nice enso entumi anti Reims no etumi etena fie eheka ne mienu a Leo enso etimu baako Troyes enso no etumi etena fie ma Clermont ekotwa wo mu ba 1 goal to nothing wo mu so entumi ensimu aje Angers etumi etna fie ma Paris Saint-Germain enso etumi ekotwa o meka ne miensa ama wo mo so entumi antimu bi e ho no ma ye de ho nsem ni nyina no enso eba Brest no eke wutim no etna fie this time etumi e Olympic Lyonnais by 2-1 wo mo so e de eko menum sanso na len enso etna fie e bo Montpellier by 2-0 it was Stade de Vélodrome no asanso ana Marseille enso etumi e kanemi ensa ma Nantes no enso etumi etimu mienu sa game way ana endrada etumi e prevent Paris Saint-Germain say ye be declare as champions ewo enenu French Ligue animu a ye de hu nsem nyina no enso e de ebanti next game say ne Olympique de Marseille elusu na Paris Saint-Germain etumi wini se kukrodo na chese trophy no enso etumi aba be here Paris Saint-Germain dia ye de hu nsem nyina no eba Strasbourg nso etina fie boy kan mienu ama ne Stade Rennais enso etimu bakon ehwa abrata ye frɛ no enenu Kamadin Sulemana entumi ensi akan sanso ana Majid Waris enso entumi ensi akan amfa ama Strasbourg Rennais and Strasbourg no respectively no wɔn nyina entumi ensi akan amfa amboa wɔn clubs and also any de koye our French League animu yankohwe ene game and also etumi ekodua ewo ne Spanish Premier Division mu games no say netie Atletico de Madrid etra Wanda Metropolitano and so ene Granada etumi ebo 0-0 sanso ana Celta de Vigo and so etumi etina fie ama Getafe etumi ekotwa o meka no mienu a wo so etumi anti ewo Estadio de Balados ewo Vigo a wo so etumi anti Osasuna and so etina fie she kan ba kuma Real Madrid etumi ekotwa mo by 3-1 womo so edi eko ewo Estadio El Sadar ewo Pamplona unum say ewo Barcelona sanso ne ewo Pamplona and so ni nyina ye krowa and also ewo Spain abrante friend David Alaba otumi eshego sanso ana Marco Asensio ono so etumi enyago na Lucas Vazquez and so etumi eshe bakwan ebo Madrid ma womo so etumi enya sa wins no and so edi eko fie ehonum na ene EPO no say na games and also etutoja endrada na no so eti ewo Stamford Bridge no Chelsea etina fie ama ene Arsenal enso etumi ekɔhyɛ wɔn ɛka no akom ɛnan a wɔn etimu mienu ɛwɔ Chelsea afɛmu no Cesar Azpilicueta Tanko etumi ɛhyɛ go Timothy Tebow Werner ɔno nso etumi ɛhyɛ go Arsenal afɛmu no Thibaut anaasɛ abrante ɛfrɛ no Bukayo Saka etumi enya go sanso ana Edi Nketiah abrante yi waba bɛyɛ ade a ene afena Jan ɛyɛ ni bi nti ɔno nso no etumi ɛbɔ 2 goals a wɔn di ni nyinaa no ɛbɔ Arsenal ama wɔn be pie mu in 27 years nie ɛyɛ record bɔne a ene Arsenal nso no etumi aba bɛhyɛ ene Chelsea 4-2 a wɔn etumi antimu bia yɛde ɛho nsɛm ni nyinaa no enso etumi ɛde ɛba ɛwɔ ene Goodison Park no Everton ɛtena fie ɛhyɛ kan baako ama ene Leicester City enso tumi ɛhyɛ baako a wɔn enya draw no ɛde ɛkɔ fie sanso ana ene no Newcastle United enso etumi ɛtena St James's Park enso eboeka ne baako a Crystal Palace enso entumi ensimu aje into back-to-back defeat for ene papa ye friend no Patrice Vieira ne Crystal Palace no enso eguso a ene no ekoso Etihad Stadium no ene Manchester City first half no na Brighton and Hove Albion enso prove stubborn this time round no second half no Pep Guardiola ene ne mrantie no tutu ama bibia kama City etumi share 3 goals sanso na Brighton and Hove Albion entumi ensimu aje Riyad Mahrez etumi open scoring no so na Phil Foden and Bernardo Silva enso esili wino ono so edi ema womo ohonom a yede ehonsem ni nyina no enso edi eba yehwe games a eno so eba so ene ewo English Premier League ni mu Burnley enso etna Tefmo atonsa edi afre team a yefre no Southampton no mo di game no etumi awendam so Spanish Premier Division anase Santander no say na tie Espanyol etna fie ne Rayo Vallecano enso etumi edi esieni sanso ana Levante enso etna Valencia atonsa edi afre Seville no mo di game no etumi awendam so Cadiz CF etna fie atonsa enso edi afre Athletic de Bilbao no mo di game no etumi awendam so na last game anase the biggest game ever cost so 7:30 sharp that game no baso no enso Rio Real Arena ne Real Sociedad etina fiatonsa di afre Barcelona unim say the last 2 games one boy woman to me nya win enti womu ko aka kwese Xavi ene ne mbrante no betumi asesa nioma ene Ansmani Fati me hu say ne training session no eko ene say de ene no obemu na menim de say no betumi make bench de ama FC Barcelona eno so ya de entumi enye me wanwa nti Real Arena no Real Sociedad ene FC Barcelona ana womode win time so a ye de ho nsem nyina no enso eba ewie aha ana ebrenso no ebetumi ama Kwame ye de amono ne nsem no creme de la creme tidbit around the world of sports no enso ebetumi de aba enti no sa ana ete okay
say one news never no
news ba on
Old Trafford news no
yes anodin papa
Abranti and Eric Ten Hag. Eric Ten Hag. Wababedu. I in United for confirm say next season and I say end of this season no.
One more confirm. Official. Okay.
One confirm say Eric Ten Hag. I don't know about G Juma no.
Into breaking news eba. Eric Ten Hag. Ye di kan e dey abeto etie fo nim so kinchina achi. Ono ano beba. Into no ayas wo manager. Eric Ten Hag Benfica eyi ni fi Champions League ni mu no ono
next season Obeji United
Okobo 2-2 was Stade de Luz and obetna Ajax Amsterdam Stadium ho ama ye be share 2-1
last week you lose
and the quay
Eric Ten Hag okay United 20 minutes ago na Mason Greenwood at a Twitter handle.
So no obe started training week
at Mason Green was it I wanna be back.
Yes.
I wanna be back.
Week or Monday or started training. Yes.
I wanna be back.
Obo wache
Mason Greenwood and also the Twitter handle.
No obi baby say Mason Greenwood aden and na bepi mu nefe no be.
Okobo ne girlfriend ya. And it's on Zabrofo no Mrani Juma. Aha, nye me show say a footballer, a top star.
Yeah.
It's no bo girlfriend ya dia yeah. It's no Manchester United dia no waha. Ole kwa dia to the 20 page.
Oh okay. It's no nature say
let's welcome our new manager.
Now we say after Liverpool game no opening your friend Ralph Rangnick.
Yes.
Our lead Tima womu be di new manager ebe pano unso kan say Man U ebe pam players be 10 o say 7 8 to 10 players e was say won fi team ni mu and already no womu about 5 players womu no be go free as free agents
5 ne dey me hu one matter.
Yes.
Phil Jones.
Me
hu Abranti and Matic mo.
Yes. Any Cavani. And they say Cavani and Paul Abile Pogba the contract would you also go as free agent but on they know kunko enti enu ni wie na we say one more chief scout Jim Lawler after that game no Eduada ni mu anwumre nu be na one more kire say recruitment into United and your players in kwan na ekọ ye breaking chairman for say 10 players na coach ni kan no enye wo mu nkwa na ekọ ne mbom backroom staffs ne impenifu bi chief scout aye friend no Jim Lawler ono so wo ma tumi abone na situo wa serve club no for 16 good years as chief scout.
Yes, under Ferguson
but wo mo che say wo hwe the last 5 seasons e ba ni a signings bia United aye ne mfaso bia ambaso ana wo mo global scouts eke utie chief scout ekọ saso na global scout otumi bagana ha behwehwe said ya free ye bane no mu ne ade bu bobon ono so no ejane dade de ato wo friend boat yes ono so ko internet say Man United Nijaba because
yen confirm
yes waba oh okay nti United official page you say na womo welcome Openino the new first team manager of Manchester United Eric Ten Hag ana womo de ato yes
Kwajo the picture we are sending me ohana.
Oh, okay.
Success Kai to share high.
Yes.
Kwajo success no.
Yenchiano.
Picture na
Oh, okay.
So which na.
Intino over Facebook
share you picture now they say just say one say Ten Hag na was.
Okay.
After 1 month Robert
Okay. And to you United fan abra Facebook. Me the way no Mazigi. Said there one veli no say one more short video bi I say Jesse B no one more throw ni din to echi. Intino video United e release no and oba Okoman 97.1 ubetumi enye bi ahye na bibia etumi aye kama Eric Ten Hag enti as said there any local news no ekono yes Ziggy betumi di atum and as say local news ni wie kra ubetumi di atum enti oba
no mo welcome Eric Ten Hag
yes
United aye
yes enti oba Okoma 97.1 na Facebook a osu ubetumi aba be United fans no especially mo measure said their team no and so welcome Eric Ten Hag na bibia nso no enye kama
Eric Ten Hag no offer Rajnik nsema na
unse eke womu hwe se Eric Ten Hag no wan fa Rajnik nsem but womu hwe the one ejuma esiti
na your man quality players
bia obeye ejuma because o hwe player and as a manager be to say judging club from Mainz 05 Nejuma no yes no be PM Dortmund angasa no kra na ontumi nya she over because of Bayern Munich superiority.
But I think
then
he won the league, the Bundesliga for them.
Inti all bano no so no I say Bundesliga Bayern Munich move from Mainz Dortmund no but Bayern no one man said that man no quality bia but onim or a very good players I want to me set it up very well ne team a opeso or set team and I know to me aboa Liverpool ama womo ye juma ye sa na obeka afa coach bi ti say wo hwe Tuchel no munsu be bia on na Mainz no mu kone na Mainz kone na Paris Saint-Germain wo nya material no but I think say team no any emun sense bi ni ade to me aboa bo bebra Chelsea na Chelsea cause saw good quality players be from other teams buy no ono so quickly no to me Emma quick resource and you know oba no na ye kan kire tie for say Anthony Santos yes boy, no? Anthony Santos the likelihood says Abrantie no ebedi Eric Echi abaman you know and also a very 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 high
Eric Ten Hag
yes
Eric Ten Hag
you know
United are confirmed saying you know the Gengen man no
yes
Professor Ebeko
into Professor in the leading crusade yes
you know ono no leading crusade nankasa kura adwuma nankasa no nje na enwuso no no si yenkofo bi mra enti na bi ase abrabo
yes
no kura ade ni mu no oye adwuma nankasa ohunu so I recommend you be the United some fa adwuma ne nche nsa
wom so unse obi wo ha eke ono nankasa no
ekura de no ntumi ye
yes
ogina kira no betuma ye
sa enti ene uko Facebook Ziggy uye super papa
United air confirm Eric Ten Hag no
yes
and that's not just customize ankasa
the customized United jersey into United over Facebook customize United jersey
Eric Ten Hag and that one no confirm so no and United next season manager you know Chumo na Chumo Man United no coach Christopher Nimley Man United no and they no confirm Eric Ten Hag say I don't know about the adwuma no led by the professor the Gengen man Rajnik I want to confirm Eric Ten Hag and so no and you news about until Kwabia I mean that was say any odiama na nsema ba enti and Kwabia Sante amana nsem so what to me area ba the writer commentator wa Zuba
Major so say be fine
come
the radias social Manchester United yes if your mama so say obi be ko no obi aba sana generation it this go this come na abona bia so etimi akonka but ensamo baby just akasa 2019 abrana Ghana ya AFCON e Egypt na omoje captain ni band di fini say no akasa papa so be na ya when ya osibe ya when ya pa nti super no nkomo e bobo but e de nya kotoko you ko sign 7 players Crawford so dia
kotoko sign ko 7 players
yes me the details be papa no me be hwia me breki na house of so wate open na obe hwia ne sa ana open na ba why ke ba why ke bo Zuba why ke why ke ba
are you for captain
oba yes oba pa na Andra House of Folk na Yene nam sana when say story ne start say training and omdi we beto some play bi o say jese na omdi we akatare di no of was hey
yeah say me am boss e dey ato on back on
Suba yes but Suba miniba minifa ya DJ OJ. Yes, ne mama and then mama did the birthday.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Florence Mantebia.
Florence
Mantebia. Yes, and rather the Afiba could ya can film.
Fantastic.
And in about DJ OJ. As a young rich in a manner.
Oh, don't know, mama. DJ OJ say, but Mother's Day,
Eba, yes.
I'm finding my Pia Kakra. No, you're my show. Oh, I
know you're Yale.
And on your Mother's Day.
Okay.
Mother's Day. DJ OJ.
Yes.
Mother's Day, no. Mommy, your friends a birthday now solid.
Yes.
Now they are P2 and I just say come on. Super Sunny I
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want.
Well, yeah, the official match also Jimmy and so the Amazon family are still live on Okoman Radio 97.12 culture ni anono so culture ni ase team na nya Francia ya dia on come so area ba enya for they are going to join live for Facebook ya so ba penwa comment wa like na wa share sa so na kopia me YouTube ba bibia so no come honma hon come so no enya for they are going to pass some na say enfan free Black Stars midfielder Branta team ede Elisha Owusu enche and the Confederation of Africa Football yes CAF it me added a draw of the 2023 AFCON qualifiers in the winter so na Ghana o Kakawenia Group E and ya Ghana Madagascar Angola and Central African Republic and a Branta team at the Elisha Owusu in Koma Kadiaba as a Okopiema sometimes the Africa draws and a very difficult every African country you know one of the waji and as why ready there's a dama bias and 24 to start friends Umbra no mention Bobre and from the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana ahead of your World Cup and I say AFCON qualified 2023 now wanna know why ready.
Every African game is difficult even if when I come and I see the intensity and the quality of the game against Nigeria for me every game in Africa is difficult high and we qualify for the AFCON. Yeah, I mean, if I have the opportunity, I will come for sure. Now, yes, I think every player wants to play for Ghana, and AFCON also is a big tournament for us. So me, I'm a young player, so I'm hungry for more for everything. So if God willing, they call me, I will be ready and I will do my best.
And we are Komakra Black Stars midfielder Branta team at Elisha so after said draw na boy na one also in Komakra dia ba here the Emerson 84 Dreams of Siakachi and Yaburandra and up in 4 8 me announce the presence of Uran team at the Ignacio Sosefusu as a woman appointing as the new head coach Edma still believer one also abebe to nyamana biaso na etimi akwana opening no and Komakra dia ba say yes ono aba no oba be hwehwe nyamana Dreams of the team no etumi jana so pa.
My name is Ignatius Kwame. Man, it's a very fantastic idea because I believe in the project and I see the project and I feel that I could be part of the project. And so for me, it is the project that entices me here and the brand. And I feel that it's bigger and it will make me big. What excites me most is the young players in the squad because everybody who knows me knows players. When you look at Clement, when you look at Samuel Wachi, when you look at Jalilu, when you look at Ali Hussayev and the rest, very young players, and so when you want to work with them, they excite me most. I think generally it's difficult, but when you look at the fact that Zito is around, and Zito everybody knows is my boss, and so if he's to a bedrock, and for me that's really good because it's not a thing that I'm coming and I don't have an idea about it. Zito will give me everything, and for me that should not be a very difficult job. And when you consider Dreams as a family, it's a together something. It's not me, Ignatius, coming in to implement any new something. It's about continuation, and so the consistency will be there. No too much changes. Consistency will be there, and so for me, the team will be very, very good to coach.
And Tebusia winning Komakra, the new head coach, Edma Dream Self, you are Branty and also ranting Eddie Ignatius or say for Swadia Pa, Yadi Emas and Tifana Super Tenia Pama out to you, Bobo Kono. Super commanding you for the agro. At yesim, comfortable party yesim. I don't want to copy my Ibrahim Saibu Tanko, 1 year head coach, Edamana, ye triben ye business say, he said, yet, Nitias sometimes not out to you, some more alcohol games are. Not a team no ever fall away. Sometimes some more transportation one sense, no, I'm not in right away business and pana. Even one more game against Ashgood, Eka Gia and Komanko.
I'm some the what you because may fight one match at a time because me football Ashgood. Ashgood say the whole day you up to 8 p.m. the eve of the match. I saw almost so you to have you could do Obuasi by 4 a.m. 4:30 yes around that and then by my side so you can imagine the results that we should expect. We can't get any positive results. Yes.
And Zuba, I don't know come back crab weba. Yadi imagine for the business yami aduma kwesi ada how many sacks in the terms so I don't know sika sam no ni we no how far what question champion for na ma to nyama se bobo sacks game no.
Sir, and I'm still pursuing the management to know how we go. I want you know they are training now. So that problem is there. Very promising.
And I was out to you. And at Yasim Zana, Yadi Amazon, it's your Blasters captain. A branch and T, Eddie Andre, the Demogana, and Commodium now branch and to just say, I brought no order in your copy Mokata, Bobo Quantini outside no, only baby jet as much as the Dean Command or Church and say, Charlie, Kata now, Conan, Kata, Biasaka, Commodity Jano, and Uni.
Yeah, as you said, as you were speaking about our former captain, Asamoah, you know, when you look at his statistics in the Ghana Black Stars, when he came to Alain was when he had the most goals for the Ghana Black Stars and broke most of the records that he broke. So he broke the records here, and he was telling me that it's not easy. That was when he was here and I was in Europe. He was telling me it's not easy at all. He has to be fit, he has to be ready. If not, he can't make it. And he said no. There is a level there, and you know, if I have the opportunity to take it and be able to be in one of the biggest clubs in the Gulf, I'll take it. And I'm happy to be here, and I'm realizing that things are going.
And when you come across Zuba, that you are ba yedi mas in the Tiffany business and Yamia Tuma walk up Ghana, Yania Uruguay, group Akumana. So far, okay, 2010 or that given away Quenya and Bobby, and Uruguay. Munium Kosiano, given Mobile Comzane.
I think it's a lot of people talking about that game in particular, but I would want us to be able to get maybe the possibility to get into the next round. I'm not looking at that game like maybe any other. I'm looking at that game that it's a game that we have the possibility to take 3 points, which I think is the last game of the group stage. So we are going to prepare, and we the players will do everything to make sure that we make our nation proud and not think about what happened. That it's true, he killed us, he killed our dream, he killed Africa's dream, and we all have, like, we won't say something against Suarez, but we all have that feeling that he didn't make us be the first country to get into the semi-finals, so that will always be there. But he wanted to do it for his nation. He took a decision, but we don't look at that. We want to play well, and try and succeed.
And the way Aaron Komakra, Black Stars captain, the day you are the bar, Yadi Amasan, for now Super Copiema, Prosperous in Alto. The General Secretary of the Ghana Football Association. But by the Commander, I said, Mamma and Nama, refugee, Yika, coaches, no place, and I'm Casacasa near Yazano, Obion him no better go near evidence, no because it's your refuge, no one no chinazon.
Yeah, the thing is that you cannot be in association football and then as and when you conveniently kind of sidestep the stretches. So in Ghana and in our association football, we have structures for dealing with referees you feel are incompetent, or referees you feel perform below par or took some decision that you feel in your estimation are not right. We are one of the countries where we have a formal process, where there's a formal form given to auditions that you cannot substantiate. The rules will ring you in. And so all those who have made comments about referees will be charged. In fact, some have been charged already. It's just that maybe the media are not in the know. So let me be clear. Dr. Nyawok Tomaklo, a very big pillar, will be charged. Mr. Akambi will be charged. The coach have been charged already. The coach of Bechem, charged in a previous interview, he will be charged again.
No. Obo Bechem United coach, Oran Tedi Kasimego, Yentie and Koma, Kasimego, or Kanya, Opana say he has been charged already, no.
It was not a bad game, but I attribute our loss the bad officiating. You were all witness to whatever happened. So I am appealing to the FA to call for the clip and watch the game so that to sanitize football. Because what happened is a very disgraceful thing to Ghana football.
I don't know. We know Panaka, no. Osha.
But
okay.
Prosper Harrison, I doing some more Kenya. Menene hiaji.
Okay.
And I maintain I say. On the I say Dr. Nyao Tamakulu.
Yes.
I know he's here to be charged, right? Kasim Mengo has been charged. Bobo he has been charged.
Yes.
The Ben your boy has any Kodoko game.
You're born on March day 24 of the Ghana Premier League.
Kasim Mingo Ninsam no can match day saying. Last Sunday.
Last Sunday we are not.
Our money one is Bobby and
Obekan 7 yes.
I don't know about Sunday we are no. You're charging no.
Yes.
Now you're born 2-3 weeks ago no.
Yes.
I know the intimate charge no.
Yes.
A day it's a hypocrisy. Sani amano. Super. Also about Dr. Yawata my he's a big day. Onya ko beka my boss ukora.
Super. How the man
you born enye you. Say this suban we.
Wow.
Edi e born anima enye obeka se me na ye bia media for na say game no. U de sa suban we obi eka ensem bi mo no mususu enye ne eka mo afi no mususu. Chen some no kind enye 3 weeks ago.
Yes.
He's yet to be charged.
Anna.
Obi can Sunday most of my charging.
Yes. See, and that's the football.
Interlights in Great Olympics are some that 50 last year.
As good.
Okay. Sorry. Yes. Olympics for one fan champion. I am 60th anniversary. Yes. Accra. I can't say Interlights.
Yes.
Olympics for anniversary there. Say Ajuana they are sending me Anna. I did it.
So they are more fanatic. Come here. Anna come here.
Interlights ne Ashanti Gold issue match fixing and match betting near the head 50 last year.
Yes.
Muntumi nkai has no kotoko bona ya mozi referee ma suspend no. It's total nonsense.
Super asem.
Asem no ko ye to sebi. You no te brofo na make na say nya team didi. It doesn't make sense. Say last year issue Muntumi nkai.
Eno ne super wa beka no de CID boss Ken Yeboah tells so and so no investigation has been done on the matter. The Ghana Football Association
because they say we secure some general JV.
Papa say the Ghana Football Association
and agenda now mo dey side no am set am wie.
Nti
na mo also say issue no report here.
Yes.
Then investigations pass say FNA ba no ba better no mo proof ni ade no mo dey investigations no. Am fa ma and anya dey FNA so dey beba. Anya dey o dey beba. I dare them. I dare Kate. I dare Prosper Artenado. Someone for evidence, need proof, and fan cop. Those media phone journalists phone be at Tanam station. I can't say proof near there. No, I'm fan come FNO. Na FNO some fan come up. I CID4. No me chichemu. Echo 1 year. Echo 1 year. Eh, asem. Kuruma.
Kuruma. Sir, NSA phone me also. So far here, I'm here na me maybe just as Majan. In the year 2019, Black Stars Ekopiemu ewo AFCON wo Egypt na okaya Ghana near Group F. Ghana, Cameroon, Benin, and Guinea-Bissau. And in the group Bakumba Ghana Pempem so Ekopiemu or round of 16 na Tunisia to me win here 1-1 penalty shootout. 5-4 na Tunisia qualify ko men na baby Jad betu jase suba obe pie ma da year no ohwa head coach Edma Black Stars James Akwesi apia wanye fe I so my inama no mo je captain ba pa de man baby Jet I felt betrayed.
The only thing I can say is I felt betrayed. You know, and yeah, so I couldn't control my emotions. You know, I felt really, really bad and betrayed. And people who know me, people who knows everything behind the scene, knows I was betrayed. And yeah, that's the only thing I can say.
Suba, the baby Jets and come on, what dear bar, your dear ma, Jen 84 and NS 40 aba krata 10 atwaze Kumasi Babrea Sports Stadium Cape Coast Sports Stadium ene eye Okopiema Accra Sports Stadium no efianse na the Confederation of Africa Football CAF are yet to inspect that day. So mama fancy na yedi yempenfo no mo hwe football no eso a what sometimes no omnyeme bi mfutuo no mtugu yeni mfutuo eno mtugu yeni fire tie kotoko likely say 7 players na mobile sign 1 Frank Mbele to Gabeko Sasuna George Infege ombeko because scanner ba no anote and likely ese korokobeko Cameroon akofa striker Ido man omko Cameroon na mfa ombeko Ivory Coast na mfa super ombeko Burkina Faso enti sa Burkina Faso da miansa we omko no minya ba ko a Yasha Mohammed of Temali City no
Is it Ken Faisal?
No, Temali City. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Wono, Amakako, the neighbor Bakotoko. No. And a 1, Yawano of Ashgood. 2, Setosei of Ashgood. 3, Clinton Dodu. Okopiema, Steven Gerrard Academy. UK, Abanho. Liverpool, a year junior team Nabanho. And a Rangers, Abanho. And it is a 3 teams.
Do I know about Queen?
Samakwa, Abakotoko. It is Zuba. I don't know. Come on, Zuba, I was a Clinton. No. It's team way. Team way. Me say niya.
Also, one call Liverpool Academy.
One call Liverpool Academy.
One call Rangers.
One call Rangers. Steven Gerrard Academy. I'm a and the fire. Koto what yes you gidi kra.
Koto for Liverpool for player. And it's so sanity. And Steven Gerrard, former Liverpool player.
Yes, Academy. Oh, UK.
Rangers and so Scotland.
Yes, and Liverpool junior team.
Oh, UK. Because I know why play Clinton do and I yes sanity.
So we are the vede.
Some will pray. I'm will pray. Anna.
We are free.
It's no Clinton do Inchiano. Liverpool Academy deal on the down.
Yes, so almost
Steven Gerrard
deal and Rangers do
na Rangers deal on the down. Na Kotoko deal on the down.
Yes.
Offer Steven Gerrard Academy. Ashwana the tour. Na we Liverpool the na doors. Ashwana
na the tour. Kotoko ko Africa ya me adu mo league na.
Na offer Rangers deal na.
So mo league no ko Africa.
Offer Kotoko deal na wa she na. Misi Kotoko league mo ko Africa. Boss my pen. Now the season na sign. I just say about African Champions League in this Inti Clinton do Inchiano.
Player has a dream with the Champions League. Zuba, sorry, no. Maybe I'm here, so if you're not, I'll send a story to Mom. I'll say, Zuba, sorry. So, Univa. Well,
we should know the core of a big club.
Oh, yes. That's
because a big club of African Champions League, your Majibi, and idea, and biggest club.
Yes.
Ghana,
yes.
In terms of Premier League, no margin of the go. It's a branch and Bokorokwa, but you African Champions League in Ibi. It's no Liverpool Academy down, Steven Gerrard Academy down, Scotland, Rangers and so on. Usha Bona Yabo Krumano. And I sit in and out. Was it also a team being?
Clitidodo. Became United. Super, I don't come on, no.
But also a team being. Bro.
Ghana Premier League.
Ghana Premier League no be no.
Yes, on one.
UK for ya bana Ojo Mwasa about Ghana Premier League or let's say. No.
Can we do ever family player no ya?
Very cool.
I can send for Super Cameroon.
You play.
I Gasem for crowd. We are just
me baby wo some catch
yes, oh very
your friend Prince Rashid Brahma.
Yes.
Probably had the Prince Rashid Brahma. Na Abrante ne born nyina say Frankie De Jong.
Wow. The last time na only did am come here.
Unumborn bo papa.
So by time na kwa dey
be for more money nko no ho.
You be dey akom.
Na me dey omani anko no ho na Steven Gerrard Academy bana
Rangers over
na Liverpool be ya dey obebo has dey me catch me ba no. Ya dey obebo onu mu na nkasa mu na Kim Grant and yes or the neighbor senior side. Ana Kim Grant call here na went to me on senior side into that so I so dia gropa. Midfielder or the number 6 or the number 8. But body amount Prince Rashid Brahma.
Okay.
As a former Shishene Chikwan.
Super. No. Super medicine. Okay. We ready. Aji good. But me first na bibia so ntimi but mediama goalkeeper be a friend Boris. Of every question yes. Oba no. Kotoko atiesi mu. Oh super kotoko atiesi. Esi no be the exclusive advice here these days. Kotoko atiesi. Kwame ban no. Dede ne ban. Kwame ban. Ene Dalan.
Ne guy name your war.
Awoke. Ene Dalan. Ene ba ko bi omkofa ne ba kotwa. On your friend kotwa keeper tintin bi obede de ba na say.
You free wana na.
Me ye be wa obede ne.
Wa suta on. Of wa suta.
On the ban yes. No say ne fin so a. Ntumi che Ghana Premier League kopie mo eye ko oni alali kopie group ba ko ne de touch hwe ni ma. Wan twa beje trigo siba. Oh, that magic trigo see. And ben for make eye offer bi so betumi akofa Boris na ba. Na wabeka 2 goalkeepers na wo no Dalan Kwame ba. Is here Kwame ba Dalan na first keeper.
Na ayi asay Kwame.
Suba nyame adoma ye bekom kakra na aye yasa na kunedu yadom. Has a phone ni hwe wiane sa.
Sunday mo de mo kan ya mo ni hwe wiane ko
6 months still na.
Be one Christ. Accra Sports to be obi. One or buy. Oversign. 6 months.
Suba mami fancy no one can stop a moving train. Mami fancy. No one can stop a moving train. Okoman Radio 97.1 Global Sports.
Yes. All right, into writer. And I was telling can Krobia Santo, Krobia in Komo, young Kwame on India man and Komo. I said, I would team Chelsea and Ramfa, Bugumusa, I feed us a much goes power to and but in me doing Komo. Yam refie na yemeshe Aprantia Ajaman Bedu. Nesama waka say eneno Ghana Mrantia no Mwamanania. Yebesi ekofo mu ba ebebo World Cup yi. Ekono nko anka AFCON qualifiers ya babebo June July mu yi. Anka yema Mrantia ne mebo bi. Se na bi omuso no anything be jele ombehu se na Blaster games na fight here. Ansana Edioma ko World Cup no. We are now the baby jet. Asam no kan no at that peso. Say he feel betrayed and he felt betrayed. Brani yeje amband no edi free ni sem edi ma dida you. Krobia maminti.
Right, okay. Yenja ITF nyina bio. I think say or a former player na so retire you.
So no say
Ajimabedu on retire.
Ajimabedu retire.
Retire.
Internationally now retire. But a club level no there.
Ajimabedu retire
or from international football. Yes.
Into Black Stars you want to be Bobby Bio.
So no some of here the services the obesa FA retirement maba.
Oh okay. Okay, Wakasa and Asamoah Wakano, I think say it was something even from I can't remember say even last year who baby who make it that case no clear say won't say why player bia be man home so the European scene pe straightforward Black Stars player bia be man home so kakra straightforward Black Stars and what she said na who say no can be and Black Stars no cry no yen enkoyi and no can be and these foreigners no one more background no one more modern bono enso any due to proper route one more be fam and san one more be board the Black Stars proper no enya dia one more enya that nature ni bi and straightforward to the national team no sometimes no suma woman na say and my woman that room no that say to me a copy with the Ghana football style of play any the African terrain no any in the players are one no one bobo in general and I think say BB I say yes ye papa okay Ghanaian players are one more brother especially one more parents no divided obi fi Ghana ebi fi amonone no na ekobe mu se wo mo hwa se England national team o hwa na se ombon remu a na e wo se ompe bebi no mfa obi hwa Netherlands national team no ntumi mbo a na e wo se ombra Ghana o hwemu a Italy no ntumi mbo a na efe de wo so hwe the other side no. These are players if indeed one more that heart to play for Ghana. One more ages no ewo form eke wo hwe one more ages between 15 to 23 25 crown na eche ma akododo enti wo hwe 18 17 16 years players wo mu nyina no wo mu peja kakrape na ye the national team no ana efoforo won. I think say idea e was a yenhwe ni ye and some players we no players say indeed obebo ama Ghana you make your mind clear then na other competitions any international games ball ahead of any other tournament no unsu wetumi enya a feel of enye say young qualify ka kobo tournament na then boom na wetumi aba and every tournament bia yebeko bia no yenya any preparation matches in friendly games yenya any prelims games ayebo qualifiers games ayebo sa games ni nyina no yebetumi dia test the balls of such players no but enya dia eno no yehunu wo Ghana ha say so this is another time ya can say mpanifo se dia wo mu adine de wo mu ni nkonemu dia aka no ana yebebo ho ban and ye nyina yen ehu say problems we no ya dia yen face ache and to get rid of it no this time you did a new era and you call into a new competition. You will two crucial tournaments. The African tournament or Africos, then Qatar World Cup 2022, and also Yakakobo. And these two tournaments, tournaments be a dying in able to me aboa any other player be a or no so person or Bogana no able to me about on board. Then the other friendly games I ever bought international breaks, any other qualifiers bono, these players will have a feel of the terrain Africa any the team Ghana and Ankasa anyhow yen coach any BBIT going into a proper tournament. And I think say a honome side with Abranti Feno Ajiman Bedu say sa players nina this is the time from June July ye babe bo an African qualifier games ye body Ivory Coast. This time Penifono they should do all means say womubenya these players on board no mo de woma ba no mo tumi aba be Bobby because we group Ghana and so dem wo ye bo Afcon qualifiers here emu eda ho a players e betumi abobi 15 minutes 20 minutes 30 minutes womu be bo aye nyina e be hu how quality a womu nyina ye then ye wo under 23 wo ye wo under 20 ye tumi an qualify if some players we num nyina ya available during the international break you betumi ama yen under 20 and so to me abo international friendly games under 20 under 23 betumi abo international friendly games but akwaya to say international breaks no nya ya na ya Black Stars na yede wo mu kwa akobọ international friendlies then nye under 17 under 20 under 23 ne dawa wo mu nya team bia embo wo mu nya friendly games bia embo but these are any teams and as a national teams wo mu nyina no equally wo mu technical men wo mu ehwe wo mu coaches any ade wo hono mu a wo mu ehede these teams but yet friendly matches kra ye organize bi ma okay the last time even under 20 about friendly game okay the last time under 23 ye kwa ya amfa ya ye bei okay say won abobo bi o mbo bi wo krum ha and ye gusu te ho these teams embo national teams bia during international break ye hu hwe and sa players we num nyina betumi aba abebo international friendly games wo yen under 20 Ghana under 23 na wo muso yetumi de attest wo mo boss wo under 20 na wo modern bo esuani a yetumi promotive bada under 23 wo body under 23 na wo modern bo esuani a yetumi promotive similar and said dia esi wo ankasa wo mo clubs a wo mo bo no player wo modern bo esuani a sometimes wo bo under 18 wo respective club krana yetumi promotive over the under 20 and the under 23 some of the under 23 games club wo mo bo na academy side no yetumi ko fa under 18 player na ye na be bo due to said ya ono so responded to the maturity in the game Then from sometimes you benya under 20, under 23. I was the same academy side, but you to me under 18 and under 19 player straightforward. Near the number testing some FA Cup and I say League Cup and a friendly game will be international. You have a international breaky. Now one of you know what they have film because of one more how ni born not anyhow or responding to football ne hunyama no one more and this is time sa nyoma we and nyoma nketenkete ye betumi de aboa esiesie these foreign players are wo so betumi aba because akwai say yes say bebre ye twa yen ni ekoyen echi a during coach Kwesi Appiah time any siki akono players are one more free for Bayer 3 international friendly games. Ghana free about you use over 100 players at the ball friendly games. You use about 100 players. They are afraid 37. They are afraid 30. They are afraid 27. They are afraid 37. They are afraid 40. Young afraid players win na be brave. Obi wo obehwe Ghana keke no koyente nka bio bepi mu ne for so many years. Obehwe Ghana keke no koyente nka bio. And you know, this is the time I answer you to me. See, you pie or papebi, edema these foreigners on Bible Ghana. It shouldn't be say a beja one say on blast one more club senior side or measure 2 goals. The young Fanemra. And no, I don't think say and also be to me abonti. It was a good case, and I say we are and you know, Ajman be doing so to me make it. I think say I side with him 100%. And also see the near course in terms of development, you know, and also be to me boy players in the year. I'm a BBI come okay, Baby Jets, Wakasa and Baby Jets in Semu Ewane captains who I think say and ye nene yebeka young can't che, but I be it is say yes, you're refreshing your mind kakra and then you know say and you know Baby Jets yes triple captains you know if in Zemuno and yadia. Fair because there could be a nice way anka ombo to me that captaincy no very very nice way. It was a tournament I think say was it 2015 2015 AFCON yeah, and it was coach Ayefeno Kwesi Appiah yes unimu say player and I say captain and yet fit for purpose. And I say tournament I will no player no in terms of former or on the club side. Any new no player no to me and fan kwa. The best thing is a odem freno and count. And onipa o strip captains in the bemano that same person no and na o deputize no. So the moment who wafre squad for a tournament now o captain enya role ewo squad ni mu no. Automatically the captains you know yedema the obi or deputize you know the day you no be captains you know simple case as obi ani wuni asem ni hu say even call up how year no on merit and how the year call up no but it shouldn't be say coach ana me pastor catch me say tournament na ye kono chinchina Ghana fu say yenko win AFCON. That time now it was about 37 38 years Ghana in win AFCON, so the pressure na one so no so for na catch ni say onfa the day you na ye captain no na betumi ama ye age captaincy. I don't think say sa nyoma we ye ade esi wo football mu and kwanga ye fast maybe there could be a good conversation, a very good convo between the coach, the management, and the FA entirely, and the captain. No, ankasa say to me aye kukuyemu meeting be say oh be a captain be a say because ni nyina wo mu je captain ni fi ni sem ni nyina no wo mo san ma no a role as general captain that tournament wo mo san de ne koi.
That was in the 2017 AFCON.
Yes. Yeah. That tournament wo mo san de ne koi. Internet just say the thing ankasa no it was unnecessary from the part of whoever no involved in taking such decision, you know, especially the head coach Kwesi Appiah.
It was even in 2019 AFCON or 2017 yeah. 2019.
Yes,
that was when Tunisia penalties in the quarterfinal stage. Yeah.
So I know the Okan. I think say I will side with him. I know the Okan. It was clear because I don't think say any of the management that time, especially even the head coach, you know, a bit me about Bontia Babeka, the agent of Super India or DJ captains in the Finnish. the oko kan say ne sofo fine o follow that trend but I don't think say in football obabe you see say osofo say player the captain few captain same in fan tournament and say wait to me akwaji that one there I don't think say you be able to me agina so they are making any point.
Okay.
So I think
ma medwafo akwenya mbrem na fa wanu si ewo ho 0551 667755 0551 667755 yeah na obi atiesi mu say ana chese yakwa no na okay I mean for bi wa ha na yes yeah super fan na yanko 0551667755 ujina sura yenhwe hello,
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Dini baby afrefi.
Me paja o nebe ma Kobe College.
Kobe College. Bibi Iboko.
Nyame adu bibi Iboko.
O ma me nchera tonka na we yefu ya dia.
Oni a oni ze mi o.
So hwehwe unu anya anu no.
Lepe de minister o ya o sani boko ne baba so ba obi samase.
O de weekend me sani bepo na me ba ma be show. Ai.
Mate. Di boy.
The boy there, I'm say, oh.
One say me catch the boy say Ghana lawfully the bedi Arsenal ne Chelsea match India Chelsea be win. Say Ghana lawfully say lawfully party in India Chelsea be win. One say Bruni di lawfully no Chelsea Lucy Enra. Yeah, before
Chelsea matches are winning ya before India na.
I have before the ba so kutakana subani dia. Anga just David. Wow, GF for muka so my bibi omunya hwe. Because love pa di wi ya see afuna muka so mama suspension. So muka so my bibi omunya hwe. Because omunya die nkwapo points ni won ho. Point 3 points no. Say almost the end of the season. Since I got 9 matches in Ghana Premier League. Say 2,000 Ghana season crap or one young pass one young profit. This is a moody be see for them maybe yeah the people Ghana hammer your football must say na ko chair and the amunya steady. Me that's na phone ya ni house of foot for ebusian phone na ase. Na muko bo sha mo mapa mo your common radio.
Yeah, that's it. Kobe, the free air college show. And also adding in some about 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971. We message your about on Facebook or say Kwame Majesty more fire and Farmer Samson a golden boy GH and also say more fire. Ajiman a champion Emmanuel was a good job AK more fire and Farmer Oba Pagina Pepebi and also Sujana and also Eddie Egu on more fire and Farmer Kofi Ajiman Blackman adding a message about I say good afternoon watching you inside Pig Farm in Accra. Yakupon Shao Papa Kofi Sabrina Adonia Oshay Michael Ifa Dakwa I say good afternoon. Birthday alert, glorious birthday to Okoman District President, Bro Bright Boedu Bequeen. May God, who has called you, strengthen you, encourage you, and empower you for greater work is for greater work in his vineyard. Cheers, bro. On so dinner dear Banty Bright. May I wish so happy birthday. And so we message you there about see good afternoon staff. AK please, for Arsenal defeating Chelsea yesterday was deliberate. Chelsea losing doesn't mean anything serious to the top 3 position. It's just because Tuchel wanted to help Arsenal to be in the top 4. AK, I be you know that Richard inside Noaso City, Udumasi Krobo. I know the about Krobia Chirwa. As I will almost said that Chelsea for that Joe Arsenal. Hey, Chelsea for Kasa. Kasa. Yeah, so no, it's a top 3 no near the na.
Oh, and the
some person go for football conference league.
Oh, say you can yen buy a can 1 month as oh, you can yen. Son, you the best. I pay Robert Watson and some de bubopa. Okay, former folk player, goalkeeper, a bra hat, a Confederations Cup if you got a concern.
goalkeeper another post him Sani Mohammed and he didn't come I see Branten is somebody a go on no abrepem eba na abete ho we go soon in think more revelations upon revelations Ghana football the then FA president Hunsem ewo abrepem yebeba ya be bo ma de akere o tamu kuchu enche revelations ebeba executive producer Yura Kofi Anton Bafo Sansona head of sports Nana Kofi Okore Ajiman Krobia Sante Wotenenka the writer commentator DJ Zigibi Onyina Ebuaye Amaye di Jumedi no enso etumi edebro Nyame perchana ebesi amedin Kwame Amponsah Addi na mekoi ankamiro yefi Krobia kamiro yefi dadaba hey I guess any birthday but I was wishing in advance dadaba ono aye businessman or young entrepreneur and we say no happy birthday in advance we every Miguel Sterling ho and I feel so me ankasa me ho ya we say dadaba happy birthday in advance na Miguel ma dadaba ntia say oma mentenka ansana aye birthday na du south say did you say dadaba happy birthday in advance pa ho akopon shana I guess their birthday party no ye giramu Miguel Amamati say invitation no why na crowd dada I guess na party ni but me invitation no why na crowd enti no ye nyina be sia na dada ba birthday no yet me celebrate no or business mugo pa young entrepreneur na say onani so ewo niama papa enti dada ba ye we say no happy birthday in advance if you Miguel Sterling ho ana me ankasa eki me so me ho ye we say no nyame pechira mepa na yetimi abeto so edi ni sana anim na Kwame Amponsah Addi obetima frame eki nyame pechira beba na ne akanyina ye so no yetimi ere ato amoso muchumka.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own.